Hey everyone, it's Miss Christine with Momspiration 412, founder of EduPlay and I'm here with my beautiful children. Who are you?
Alex.
Ella. And Ella. And today what we're going to do is we are going to show you our Snowman Bowling. So we're super excited about that, okay? First, this is a super simple activity that requires little to no mess, really. And it's a lot of fun to practice your kids' rolling skills. They're also going to practice counting, and they're just going to have so much fun with this. They're also going to be able to practice some fine motor skills where they are stuffing the empty water bottles, okay? So lots of fun that we're going to be having today, and all you need are what? What are these? What are these?
Bottles.
What kind of? So empty water bottles, right? What else do we have? We have here buttons. We have some buttons, and what did we? Hold on one second, Alex.
Wait.
And what else did we need? We need a marker. So we drew a little smiley face onto our snowman. We gave it some buttons, so you can do that, or you can just draw them on, because some of them are drew on.
We have white stuff here.
We do. We have white here, right here. This is what we put inside of our snowmen to make them look white. Ella, can you go grab the one snowman that's already done? No, right in the very front of our bowling. Yeah. Okay. So this one here is already done. So all you're going to do is you're just going to stuff the white paper. I just grabbed too much. Just stuff it in there. So this is a great activity that you can do with your kiddos too. Now it looks like he has hair, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right. So
like a mane.
Like a mane. You're right. All right. You can just leave that one there. We don't need that. Don't do that. Please leave it. All right. And then you just put the lid right back on it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to practice. The other thing we need is a bowling ball. And what we're going to do is we are just going to practice rolling the ball. We're also going to practice counting. Okay. So Ella, come over here. Let me make sure that you're out of the. Make sure that yes.
Right here?
Alex, come stand right here. Alex, come stand behind Ella.
Stand behind me.
Okay, so they're going to get 3 turns each to try to, actually just 2 turns each. But you're just going to try and knock it down, and we're going to practice counting and subtracting. All right?
All of them down.
Yes. All right, ready? It's okay. It's just a notification on there. All right, Ella's going to go first. She's going to practice rolling them down. Woo! So go. Here, Alex, wait. Ella, count how many you knocked over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. So if there are 10 and you knocked 8 down.
I thought there was 9.
I know, I thought so too, but I guess there's 10. Are there really 8 that are knocked down?
Yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8. So if there's 8 knocked down, if there were 10 to begin with and you knocked 8 down, how many are left? 2. So you're talking about some adding and subtracting here. So Ella's going to get another turn and go ahead and try to knock hers down. Let's say, woo! You're right. Or spare, I guess. So you can talk about real bowling terms here. All right. Go help your sister line them back up.
Wait.
Now, we are playing on carpet here, so it's not as easy if you were playing on a hardwood floor or a carpet that wasn't as, like moves around, like shag, right? Like shaggy. Okay. And Alex, why don't you go help her? Okay, help her out. Make sure they're a little bit closer, Ella, in the back. Move them a little bit closer in the back. There you go. Move them over. Excellent. Excellent. That's it. So you can see here they're just having so much fun, not only building and setting them up, rolling the ball, counting. You know, they had fun decorating the snowman and making the snowman. And now we are just having so much fun counting and learning and laughing. So it's Alex's turn. Ready, bud? Oh, try again. All right, ready? Go for it. Just roll it.
Just go like this.
Here, watch out.
This is my 3rd turn.
That's all right. You can go again. Here, just don't try to hold it. Just roll it out. Don't try to hold it. Yeah, just roll it.
Not like
It's
this.
getting stuck. Whoop. All right, so as Alex continues, go ahead. If you guys are here, let us know that you're here. You got them all down. So Alex, if there were 10 and you knocked all 10 of them down. How many are left?
0.
Woo!
I think we're going like his 7th or 6th try.
All right. Let's wrap up. So thank you guys so much. So if you are watching here and you would love more activities like this, be sure to drop an emoji below and let us know that you want more information and just are excited for these kind of activities. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. And if you are here live, just let us know that you're here live. And if you're watching the replay, give us a hashtag replay and let us know that you loved it. Now, if you do try this with your kiddos at home, please share some pictures, tag us, let us know that you had so much fun while you went snowman bowling. Hope you guys have one more left. Hope you guys have so much fun. Oh, Grandma's on. Say hi, Grandma.
Grandma.
She was on. All right, guys, I hope you have so much fun here. And if you are looking for more EduPlay activities, we have so many fun activities for you in store. So continue to turn on those notifications here in the Teaching Moments group. Be sure to check out our Momspiration 412 a worldwide group that is full of resources for moms. And then if you are interested in more videos like these, subscribe to the Teaching Moments YouTube channel. All right, guys, I hope you have a great night. And remember, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun. Bye, guys.